Will frothing plant milk make my vegan egg top tier? Using a $2 milk frother I got at IKEA on some unsweetened oat milk. With the frother, the milk doubles in size. Adding some chickpea flour, salt, mushroom powder, some turmeric for color, and give it a mix. Here are all the measurements I used. Pouring it on a well-oiled non-stick pan and leaving it alone as it cooks through. Now this definitely would make a fluffy omelet. When I scrambled it, it lost its fluff, and I did brown it to make it crispy. But the thing that blew me away was the flavor. Adding plant milk gives the vegan egg a more rich and satisfying mouthfeel. That definitely upgrades the experience. What do you think about this?